Very simple POS, deli, grocery, and catering setup. To set up and scan items with the system is set up that if you scan an item that does not have an existing price, you simply can enter in that price after it's scanned. Here's an example. This item came up but had no price. Simply scan the item and then hit Edit Item. Then enter the price in for the item. And then all future scans of that item will have the new price. If you scan an item that does not exist in the database, then you'll have the opportunity to add that item. Let's go into admin here quickly and get rid of the item that we just scanned in. Here's that item that we just scanned in, and you notice that the 250 has now been recorded. We'll delete that. And now, when you scan the item, it'll say that it's not found. Do you want to add it to the database? And you'll say yes. Then scan the item again. It'll come up with the description not found. Simply hit Edit, select the item, and simply hit Edit Item. Then enter in the description and any price you like. And now all future scans for that item will be existing in the system. So, for the management of your inventory for barcoded items, simply go to the Admin tab and then hit Inventory. You'll see a list of all of the items within the system. You can search on any of these column headers by simply typing in below the column header to find an item, and then simply overwrite and change any of the columns that you see and hit OK to save those changes. Notice that the items are organized into three main groupings. BC item stands for barcode item. Those are the inventory items on the shelves in the store. The other categories represent lunch menu items and other items within the deli. And then the third category is catering. So if you type cater with an underscore, it'll show you all of the categories that are in the catering section of the application. Likewise, to set up these items within the system, you can enter in the regular items, which are non-barcoded items such as in the deli, by pressing Create/Inventory. Here on this screen, simply select the category that you wish to add to, in this case daily soups, and then press the button that says Create New Items with a different size. And then simply enter in those items that you wish to for soups, etc., including the size differences for them. And then press Save New Items. The same holds true for the catering section, except that you have to press the catering link. By pressing this link, you'll notice that the categories that come up here are the catering categories. And again, you select the category you wish, you press New Item, and then simply enter in those items. Next, if you need to alter the front main menus of the program, press the Configuration button. On this screen, you'll see that the sizes for all of your items are displayed on this tab. And I've entered in all the sizes for whether it's a drink item, a food item, or a catering item. So notice that there's half tray, full tray, small, regular, etc. And here's per foot. And you still have the opportunity to set up over 20 different sizes. Secondly, you can set up the lunch items or the deli section of the program. This appears on the main menu of the program. Lunch specials, groups, panini, etc. Notice that I've entered in all the possible sizes within that category. If you need to, you can add up to 5 different sizes. And then the buttons will be displayed automatically on those screens when it comes up. And then finally, the catering categories. Those are just to simply list out up to 20 different categories for your catering items. Now, when you go to the sales screen and you go to, for example, panini, you'll see that your items will be listed here. And again, there's 2 sizes choices here. And of course, It works with the same style that each time you press the button, the quantity increases. If you need to edit items, you can simply go to select a row here and hit Edit Item to change anything you want about this description. You can delete the item if you choose to. You can increase the quantity by simply pressing these buttons, and you can clear tax values off of an item or for the entire order if you choose to. And then finally, when you're entering in the payment, you select the type of payment choice that you wish, whether it's cash, check, or credit card. If you were to press credit card, you simply press that button, swipe the credit card, and then it will automatically go to the process page. If you need to manually process it, you can simply hit manual entry and enter in the card if necessary. And that's the basis of the overview for administration for the very simple POS for deli, catering, and grocery.